have exerted considerable effort to impede our progress, deploying resources and controlled agents in their pursuit. Fortunately, we have identified these actors, and our resolve remains unshaken. We will persist undeterred, provoking frustration and despair among those who oppose us. While they focus their attacks on individuals, the collective continues to labor relentlessly to unveil the systemic corruption they so fervently protect. As long as they cling to conformity, we shall overwhelm them with relentless exposure. End of transmission.